Guys, today we'll talk about how can you select measurement systems on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on your name down here, and just click here on your name. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on account details here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on measurement systems. Just click on it, and here can you select it here in this list. So then you click here on save. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.